Hi and welcome to a new series. I hope new series. I'll just try it for once. It's being recorded by two cameras, so I have no idea how that will turn out. The lighting is pretty bad, I think. I have sun outside and you can see the cover here. I also have this makeshift spotlight that I have placed here on the other side. Sunlight is coming from there and the spotlight will be from there. But anyways, apart from my terrible studio, let's start with the actual content. Now, it will be about this kind of content. I just see that it is mirrored. Let's fix that. Transform. Alright, there we go. That's better. So, this is the Lego set 60095, as you can see here clearly. It's the deep sea exploration vessel of 2015. So what I will do basically is see if I can build this together. Our cat hair everywhere already. Build this and then, well, show the result and give a short review or what I think about the result. So do enjoy. I will speed up the building process, obviously. Perhaps in the future I will be looking into streaming content. I can imagine doing this format as a live stream if anyone would love to do that, and also record it and, well, basically have the live stream if anyone wants to chat with me, and put the post-processed recording on YouTube then later. So without further wasting time, let's see if we can do that. Also, back of the box, before I forget to show that. Perhaps once while I'm showing this, the reasons why I chose this set. Well, first of all, it's about deep sea exploration. I do love all stuff related to that, things. I love ships, I love deep sea things, basically, so that's one reason. The other reason is I think it's a retired set by now, considered retired, but I could still find this at my retailer, so there we go. Basically just took the opportunity. So, let's build this thing. Okay, so there we have it. Now let's see if I can somehow... I think this camera will be nice. So here we have the underwater wreckage. Now let me close the window, that's terrible noise outside. It's very hot inside from the computer and things. So I do really like the look of this and the octopus that comes with it. Very neat. And it also has all these algae. That's also quite cool. And you can do this. And that's very cool, actually. So it's not just a static thing, it also has some dynamic to it. Dynamics. So that's it for the wreckage. Also, I really like these rock formations that we have here. Okay, so next up we have the underwater subs. So here we have one. They have all these arms that can be moved around and propellers if they are not obstructed by minifigures. So that's nice. And minifigs. So let's see if we can. So there's one minifig here, deep sea diver, and there's 4 more of the diver dudes. One here, one in this sub. So let's see, focus is here. It has also propellers and this luke to open. And there's the other mini sub that also has propellers and these tank looking things on the sides. So I really like that. Also sticker on the front. I do hate stickers, looks like. Also, why is the camera trying to focus? Just don't. Otherwise I'll have to do webcam captures more often. Anyways, so these subs quite nice as well. Then there is the shark army. 4 sharks coming with this set. One of them is this sawtooth shark. So I've never seen one of these. Quite nice. There, luckily the eyes are printed on, so there's that. I didn't have to put a sticker on that. Then we have this boy. Nice to have, I guess. And then the main event is, of course, the ship. The entire ship. So that thing is bigger than I had anticipated previously. It's quite big. It has a hook where we can put things like this cage. So you can't see it. Here we can put the cage in here. It has also this cut out piece. It should also float actually. Here we can lower it and bring it back up again. There we go. So quite nice feature here. I think we can also take this hook and put it onto this sub. Let's see, it should go like that. So there we go. Sub can also be lowered and put into the water through this area. Then on the front of the boat we have this nice little bridge that we can open up from here. Can access it. Perhaps a top camera can pick it up. Has some nice instruments in there. Apart from that, nothing too special. And we can remove. That was the walkie-talkie, I think. Or was it not? Yes, it was. So we can remove the whole bridge area to reveal this cutout area where we have looks like 2 beds and a bit of lighting and newspaper, coffee mug. It's a nice detail, although you don't usually see it. So we can basically put one of our divers in here. Okay, and on the front side we have this little dinghy that's just sitting there, and well, you could also take that away, I guess. Yeah, so there you have it. I really like the set for aforementioned reasons, and I was really surprised by the size of the boat. I already had one of the smaller ones back in 1990 something, but that was not nearly this size. I think it's perhaps half the width and 3/4 the length, perhaps. That's probably about it. Also, I like the details of the roofs and the what do you call them? The smoke pipes. Sadly, one thing I would have liked is if you could put the crane down and to the sides, but since it has this cutout area, I guess that's not even necessary anymore. Also nice that there are 6 of these fenders on the sides. It gives it just that extra touch that that you would like to have. Also here we have a radar dish, just barely visible here from the camera. Should perhaps move that up. So here we have this. So yes, I think that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed, and let me know what you think about the whole thing. If you like it, if you don't like it. I obviously have to work on my recording technique or studio or camera setup some more, since that's probably the weakest link in this recording, apart from me, I think. Well, anyways, so thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on another of these episodes or another episode of my Let's Plays. Thanks a lot for watching, hope you've enjoyed, and have a nice day.